Harmony from Lakeshore. For today's teaching tip, let's talk about CVC words. I have a few products to show you that will help your students develop confidence in building and blending CVC words. First up, we have our word building puzzles. I love to use these with students to help them learn to build words. I encourage them to say each letter sound, blend it together, and then name the picture. They're self-correcting too, so students experience early reading success every time. For students with a stronger grasp of letter sounds and blending sounds to create CVC words, I love to use the Letter Crayons Word Building Center. After choosing a card from a color-coded set, students can identify the picture and sound out the matching word. Then they simply snap the crayon into the crayon box and flip the card over to check their work. The great thing about this teaching tool is that there are lots of different ways to use it to meet the needs of all my students. Let's look at a few different ways to use the letter crayons in your classroom. For students that need a little extra support, encourage them to match the crayons to the letters on this side of the card first. Then they can snap the crayons in and blend the sounds together. To encourage teamwork, have your students work in pairs. One student builds the word, and together they sound it out. Then the other student finds the picture that corresponds. Here's another great tool for practicing CVC words. It's our word building blocks. This activity takes CVC learning to the next level because students can build words without picture and word clues. I love this item because it includes 4 bases and lots of letters, so it's great for small group work. With the vowels in red and consonants in blue, my students love snapping the blocks onto the bases to create many different words. I encourage them to explore higher level concepts like switching out consonants and vowels to make new words, build rhyming words, or even build 4-letter words. I hope you've enjoyed this teaching tip on CVC words. Go for the WIN with Lakeshore products to help your early readers develop confidence and to support your teaching goals too. Be sure to like this video and post your comments, and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more.